And this is the elevator at the strip mall that's attached to the Walmart here. It's a ThyssenKrupp. It's got the old buttons. These are not very common anymore. Ooh, call recognition. Let's listen to the motor. This thing runs incredibly well. If you get out here, check this out. You can get a view of the Walmart. That is the Walmart in Grundy. It's got 2 floors of parking and the top floor is retail. And this is up on top of the strip mall. And now Zach is looking at the businesses and we're gonna go back down and leave him up here. Unless he runs over here real quick. Look at that walk. Go ahead and push the button then. Zach is misbehaving. This elevator runs incredibly well. Door closed but works. I like that. Call recognition. And that'll be it. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.